Let's build something really fun and visually stunning. An interactive 3D card flip carousel using Flutter. This animation is perfect for shopping apps, product showcases, or any situation where you want to wow your users with smooth transitions and dynamic UI. Let's dive right in. We're going to start off in our main.dart file. Just a standard Flutter setup. Our home is pointing to the card flip carousel widget, which is where all the magic happens. All right, now let's jump into the heart of this animation. We're using a stateful widget here because we need to maintain the state of the page controller for our animation. So first up, I have created a page controller and set the viewport fraction to 0.75. This is super important because it allows us to see part of the neighboring cards, giving the carousel that immersive feel. Next, we have a simple list of items, each with a title, a price, and an emoji icon. These are just placeholder products: headphones, smartwatches, sneakers, and a backpack. You can replace these with real product images or data from an API. In Dispose, we make sure to dispose of our page controller to prevent memory leaks when the widget is removed from the widget tree. Now let's move into the build method. We gave the background a soft gray tone to help the card stand out. The real magic starts with the PageView.builder. This allows us to create an infinite, scrollable list of cards horizontally. We pass in the page controller and set the item count to match our items list. Now here's where things get interesting. Inside the item builder, we're using an animated builder. This widget is what lets us create that smooth flip animation when the user scrolls between cards. We calculate a value by taking the difference between the current index and the controller's page. Then we scale this value down to make the rotation subtle and clamp it between -1 and 1 to avoid extreme rotations. Next, we apply a transform with a 3D effect using matrix 4.identity. The key here is the line where we use rotate Y to rotate the card along the Y-axis. The rotation is controlled by our value multiplied by pi to create that flipping motion. We also use set entry to add a tiny bit of perspective. Without this, the rotation would look completely flat, and we want that realistic depth effect. Now, inside the transform, we call our build card method, which actually creates the individual card UI. So let's take a look at the build card function. Each card is just a container with some nice styling. We apply a softbox shadow for that lifted, glass-like effect. Inside the container, we've got a column that centers the content. First, the emoji icon, which in a real-world app you'd probably replace with an image, then the product title, and finally the price. And that's really it. What makes this carousel feel polished and modern is the combination of the smooth page transition, the 3D rotation, and the soft styling of the cards. Now imagine integrating this with live product data, or using images instead of emojis. It's perfect for shopping, portfolios, or even gaming dashboards. So to quickly recap, we used a page view for horizontal scrolling. We added a 3D rotation using Transform and Matrix 4. We created beautiful product cards with a glassy, elevated look. And just like that, you have a fully interactive 3D card flip carousel in Flutter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.